The Women Tech Council is honored to present the 2022 Women Tech Award finalists. AJ Brow is co-founder and CEO of Wander. Within 18 months of starting Wander, AJ raised $3 million in institutionally led seed funding and has grown her team to 20 employees. AJ and the Wander team are dedicated to transforming travel experiences for individuals and families alike. Using technology, Wander is building for destinations around the world. AJ is a builder in our community, a full-stack developer, and a graduate of Bottega University. She is fluent in Japanese and is the proud mother of a 3-year-old daughter. Alexa Kalandiak is a staff mechanical engineer at Passive Logic. With her holistic leadership approach, she has developed and transformed interdepartment processes, grown her team, and prepared manufacturable designs in preparation for a $500,000 capital investment. Alexa is an innovator and is listed as the co-inventor on a pending patent. She has a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering and a certification in energy studies from Yale University, where she was a 4-year swimmer on the Division I team. She's an avid outdoors recreationalist and loves exploring all that Utah has to offer. Amy Frampton is head of marketing at Bamboo HR. She has 20 years of experience creating marketing strategies and leading teams at companies like Microsoft, Hewlett-Packard, and Smartsheet. Amy stepped into Bamboo HR and revolutionized reporting lines to create a 20% increase in new customers and a 24% increase in market partnerships. She has also tripled the number of women in her department. Amy serves on the board for Encircle and Women Tech Council. She is a University of Utah graduate. Amy Jo Moore is the Design Engineering Director at Northrop Grumman. Amy has spent most of her career focused on missile systems, business development, and growing teams. In 2021, she and her team hired over 1,200 professionals. She is on the boards of USU College of Engineering and Douglas Space and Science Foundation. Amy has a bachelor's degree in mechanical aerospace engineering from Utah State University and a master's degree in engineering management from Ohio University. Her passion revolves around her 2 children. Anisha Mccormick is the Director of Product Management for Exploration at Pluralsight, where she leads 4 shared platform teams driving product exploration efforts. She is the co-creator of UUDM, a blueprint of personal, contextual, and behavioral data. Anisha is also a co-creator of the C-Color ERG, an organization that amplifies BIPOC team members at Pluralsight. She has a master's degree in communication from BYU, loves spending time with her husband, and is a bonus mom to 3 beautiful children. Hao Moi Kwan is Associate Professor of Computer Science at Salt Lake Community College. Hao has spent more than 20 years teaching students and mentoring graduates, and has published several research papers in technology. She is a Tecnolochicas ambassador in the Latino and Hispanic community. Hao holds a bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering, a master of sciences in telematics, and a PhD in educational sciences. She is most proud to have been awarded this year's Teaching Excellence Award at Salt Lake Community College. Heidi Anderson is the Chief Information and Technology Officer at Prestige Financial Services. Throughout her career, she has built high-functioning technology teams and led transformative initiatives, like bringing innovation to Utah's courts through automation and cutting-edge processes, and development of the first online case management system in the nation. Heidi is also the Vice President of AIM and has a bachelor's degree in business management from the University of Phoenix. She loves traveling with her husband, spending time with her children, and is a self-proclaimed foodie. Julia Silji is a data scientist and software engineer at RStudio PBC, where she works on open source modeling tools. With a passion for data analysis, she's published several books on text mining, machine learning, and modeling tidy data principles in R. Julia also serves on the Technical Advisory Committee of the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, is involved in local Salt Lake City R user groups, and frequently speaks at the local colleges and universities. Julia holds a PhD in astrophysics. She enjoys spending time with her husband, 3 children, and 2 cats. Katie Nielsen is the co-founder and president of Assure, one of the nation's top SPV fund administration companies that helps technology organizations more easily raise capital. Katie's leadership has taken the company from a small startup to an industry-leading platform with $20 million in assets under management. Her company is ranked in the top third of Inc.'s 5,000 fastest-growing private companies and top 50 fastest-growing women-led companies by Women Presidents Organization and J.P. Morgan Chase. Katie has a bachelor's degree in geography from BYU and is the proud mother of 4 children. Kiva Allgood is the president and CEO of Sarcos Technologies and Robotics Corporation. She oversees the development and commercialization of Sarcos products with partners, customers, and investors. She's poised to bring to market the Sarcos dexterous robotic systems and other technologies this year. Kiva has also helped connect the unconnected through a microgrid project in India and developed smart water sensors to provide clean water in underdeveloped countries. Kiva has a bachelor's degree and an MBA from Northwestern University. She enjoys skiing with her family on Utah's world-renowned slopes. Krista Pappas recently joined Entrata as Senior Vice President of IT. Throughout her career, Krista has built over 9 technical business functions across 4 different SaaS companies. She has expedited company growth by taking unreliable and unstable tech stacks and turning them into predictable growth engines. Krista has coached and mentored underrepresented groups and maintained 50% diversity on her teams. She has a Bachelor's of Science from Arizona State University. Krista is an animal lover, frequently fosters dogs, and is an active volunteer at several animal nonprofits. Kirsten Tims is Senior Vice President of Biomarker Discovery at Myriad Genetics. She has helped develop a diagnostic test for ovarian cancer that identifies eligible patients for more targeted therapies to help improve outcomes. This innovation has impacted patients worldwide and is helping thousands of women with ovarian cancer. As a postdoc at Baylor College of Medicine, Kirsten worked on the pilot phase of the Human Genome Project. Kirsten has both a bachelor's degree and a PhD from the University of Dunedin in New Zealand. Christina Yamada is a CTE education specialist for the Utah State Board of Education. She has accelerated the implementation of technology and computer science in K-12 classrooms and been instrumental in implementing an after-school program grant to offer training and certifications to students in 33 school districts and 19 charter schools and counting. Her work has positively impacted hundreds of thousands of students throughout the state. She has an MBA from Western Governors University and is dedicated to doing what's best for her students. Manu Sued is Senior Vice President of Platform Delivery and Operations at AvidXchange. She leads the technical platform engineering teams responsible for the company's hybrid cloud platforms supporting in-market and new products. Manu is the executive sponsor for 2 AvidXchange meetup groups championing diversity, inclusion, and belonging. She also co-founded a nonprofit organization called Virasat Utah to plant the seed of volunteerism and STEM among Utah youth. Manu has a degree in engineering and an MBA from Western Governors University. She loves being with her family in the great outdoors. Melanie Robinson is CEO of Web, a virtual and live event production company. When the pandemic hit, she launched a virtual product offering, maintained existing clients, and even won new business. Melanie is a mentor in the Big Brother Big Sister program and a career coach to MBA students at the University of Utah. She has a bachelor's degree in economics from Eckerd College and an MBA from Stanford Graduate School of Business. She loves hiking, road biking, and snowboarding with her husband and son. Natalie Burrell is Senior Vice President of Engineering at Entrata, where she is responsible for building and delivering accounting and financial products. She has a proven track record of leading multiple large-scale digital transformations, bringing products to market, creating product-focused teams, and implementing agile frameworks to companies. Natalie is dedicated to introducing high school-aged girls to technology and has been actively involved in SheTech and Code Adventure. She has a bachelor's degree in economics from the University of Utah and is the proud mother of 5 children. Pallavi Ranade Karkar is the Director of Precision Health and Research at Intermountain Healthcare. She has implemented technologies to make high-quality, affordable, and holistic healthcare a reality for everyone. Pallavi has authored over 20 peer-reviewed publications. She is currently working with state representatives to break the urban-rural digital divide and enable equitable access for all. Pallavi holds a master's degree in computer science and a PhD in biomedical informatics. She is a professionally trained dancer in Indian classical dance styles and performed a classical dance solo at the 2002 Winter Olympics. Sarah Wiley is co-founder and vice president of product development at HiTop. She is one of the leading pioneers of the blockchain space in Utah and oversees the development of HiTop's banking and crypto mobile applications. Sarah is committed to activating more women into STEM and has built a back-end engineering team of 80% women. She holds a patent for the design of an A/B testing system in QuickBooks and was named to the Governor's FinTech Council. She has a bachelor's degree in computer science from BYU and is the mother of 5 children. Steph Cousin is Vice President of Go-to-Market Strategy and Operation at Lucid Software. She oversees the end-to-end corporate planning and budgeting process and is heavily involved in Lucid's financing rounds. Her deep understanding of SaaS models has helped Lucid become a best-in-class product. Steph is also dedicated to diversity and inclusion and is a committee lead for LGBTQ+ awareness. Steph holds a master's degree in economics from the University of Copenhagen. She played semi-professional hockey and speaks Danish fluently. Sonny Giles is a general partner at Lane VC, an author, and an executive leadership coach. Her innovative approach helps leaders accelerate radical change in times of volatility and uncertainty. Sonny has given a TEDx talk on her leadership principles and often advises Fortune 500 companies. Growing up in rural Korea when college was rare for girls, Sonny broke the stereotype and holds an MBA from the University of Chicago Booth School of Business and a PhD. She is most proud of her daughter, who is pursuing a tech degree herself. Travis Anna Halstrom is co-founder and director of brand communications at Passive Logic. Travis managed fundraising through Angel, Seed, Series A, and Series B, and has been instrumental in the $65 million the company has raised to date. Her work and influence have paved the way for revolutionary changes in how buildings can operate sustainably around the world. Travis is one of the founding members of Utah Moms for Clean Air and is a solar power advocate and advisor to Rocky Mountain Power. She has a bachelor's degree from BYU. And the finalists for the 2022 Student Pathway Award. Ashlyn Hansen is pursuing a degree in computer science at the University of Utah. Ashlyn developed an early interest in math, science, and logic, and coupled this with a desire to explore and understand the world around her. She has participated in multiple undergraduate research projects on design and human-centered computing, including applications in medicine. Ashlyn wants to use these experiences to one day design meaningful interactions for people who rely on technology for their independence and autonomy. Jessie Stratton is a computer science student at Weber State University. Jessie found her love of technology in the 9th grade and graduated from high school with skills in 5 programming languages. Despite personal trials and a period of homelessness, she maintains a 4.0 GPA while working and going to school full-time. She is the only woman on her team installing technical hardware and strives to be an example of determination, grit, and excellence every day. Reagan Baxter is a computer science major at Utah State University. Reagan became interested in meteorology and technology at a young age and began exploring hardware, software, robotics, and even joined the MESA program. In her current position at Utah State University's Space Dynamics Laboratory, she has been recognized for her project and process contributions and helped educate the public on SDL's mission and capabilities. Following graduation, Reagan plans to use her programming experience to work on space projects. Congratulations to all the 2022 Women Tech Council Award finalists.